Welcome to Moss Travel 24 Adventures' latest journey. Today, we're exploring the historic village of Fort Langley, a gem nestled along the Fraser River. From antiquarian treasures to tranquil island trails, let's dive into the charm and beauty of this iconic locale in British Columbia. Fort Langley began as a Hudson's Bay Company fur trading post in 1827 and later became a National Historic Site. Today, beautifully restored colonial-style buildings line Glover Road, preserving the village's heritage while offering a scenic setting for shops and cafes. One of the highlights is the Village Antiques Mall, a vast 10,000 square foot space hosting over 60 independent dealers. From vintage furniture and crystal ware to movie props and mid-century modern design, the ever-shifting inventory promises new discoveries at every visit. Here, you feel like you're strolling through a time capsule, each item with its own story. The Heritage Community Hall hosts local events, markets, and festivals throughout the year. The village continues to charm tourists with its independent shops, cafes, and a sense of history intertwined with modern life. Whether you're hunting antiques, exploring tranquil island trails, or simply soaking in the village's heritage ambience, Fort Langley is a destination that promises both discovery and serenity. Thank you for joining Moss Travel 24 Adventure on this unforgettable tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and check our channel for more inspiring journeys around BC.